You've probably seen videos or websites claiming they'll teach you how to rug pull and make money by creating your own token. But the truth is, the real rug pull is happening to you. How? Have you ever noticed that when you try the same steps, you fail and end up losing your money? Here's why. In these videos, they show a full tutorial on how you can rug pull a token and make a good amount of money. That looks fine at first, but their real business is not teaching you how to rug pull. There's something hidden they never talk about and never tell you. Their real business is making you pay a fee to create a fake token. Yes, you heard that right. These websites are no-code token generators. They don't tell you this, but they own the website themselves. Here's how the scam works. These people build a professional-looking site. They call it a no-code token generator and pretend they found it while researching. Then they make rug pull videos and promote the site on YouTube and Telegram, saying you can create a token in minutes, no coding needed. The bait is always the same. They say you can rug pull and make quick money. But the truth is, their real business is charging you a fee to create a fake token. Once you pay, you get a useless token. They don't even let you verify your token contract address, and that's very important for building trust. Every meme coin trader checks if a contract is verified, if liquidity is locked, and if other security features are in place before buying. So how do these YouTubers show profits in their videos? It's simple. They buy their own tokens from other wallets to make it look like they made huge gains. But in reality, it's fake. They take a loss just to make the video look real. Remember, the bait is always the same. Their real goal is to make you pay a fee to create a fake token. And those YouTubers promoting these websites? They are not helping you. They earn commissions every time you fall into the trap. They act like they're teaching you something powerful, but in reality, you're the one getting scammed. So remember this: if a website hides the contract code, it's a scam. If someone tells you that you can rug pull with their tool, just pay their fee. The real rug pull is happening to you. The next time you see a video or website like this, don't be fooled. Stay safe, protect your money, and don't let these people rug pull you. And if you want to build a real token generation platform, subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. I'll soon upload a video about how to create a legit token generator, where you can actually get the contract code, verify your token, and make it more secure. If you want to try your luck, check out my crypto wallet finder app. That is legit and works on real data, no activation key needed, no monthly subscriptions required, free and safe. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.